Good morning. I'm on a project that I did about 9 years ago. I wanted to highlight this because I played with combination of stones in manufacturers, and I always talk about, think outside the box. Well, this one has the Belgard Arbel stone, and it's in the Bella, and it needs to be power washed. So that's something I need to help out with them. So I did the Arbel stones for the walkway, country manor wall pilasters, the caps. Yes, it's early. My voice just cracked. The caps are the Siena embossed by Ackerstone, and then I use exact same thing for the borders. But the Arbel, they kind of cut down on some costs. Runs to the front door for the Arbel, and then over to the driveway is a Siena embossed tumbled from Ackerstone. So thinking outside the box a little bit. Beautiful driveway pattern and beautiful house. I mean, this is a blast, and they've now become good friends. Oh, and by the way, as far as friends, if you like what I do, please press subscribe and share with your friends. Trying to get the word out about different ideas, combination of stones, just different. So walking back over here again, check out the transition from the Arbel to the Siena embossed. It popped. So anyway, Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. One last look. Think outside the box. It's just cool. Love this place. And guess what?